benchmarking tests, module tests, do everything, revise it. There's so many questions. Why do you need something else? I think we should just stop doing, इधर हाथ मारो उधर हाथ मारो, जहाँ पे हो वहाँ पे रहो, एक बुक पकड़ो, बैठो, पढ़ो, खत्म. I think that's what helps the most. Keep calm, make a plan, get on with it.
There was a dip in sim test giving, and I distinctly remember one day that she called me कि sir मेरा बहुत कम आ रहा है mocks में. Beta, this is a process. You have to go through this process. But sit, analyze the mistake, and she used to follow every instruction. And then later on, she picked it up.
They don't give value to external help. I think we have to give value to external help and realize that we need someone else to guide us.
When as a student you're motivated yourself, trust me, the mentors are all the more happy to help you. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Sanika Mate. I am your friend, your mentor and your guide, welcoming everyone to our Achievers Meet, where we are meeting all the students who have actually achieved the goal of reaching where they wanted to, which was the IIM Indore. So we would be connecting with a lot of students who have cracked IIM, be it IIM Indore, be it IIMK, be it Rohtak. So make sure that you're following us. We will be coming up with a lot of new videos and making sure that you get the direction. Okay. So today I would be speaking with one of the students who have again achieved the IIM, which is the IIM Indore, and it is Riddhi Goyal. Welcome, Riddhi. It is absolute pleasure talking to you, and I can see the happiness on your face for cracking Indore. And we have Neeraj sir with us, who is actually Riddhi's mentor, okay, who is from Vashi branch, okay, from IMS Center. Now, congratulations to you too, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
It's a big feat after having somebody from a center who has actually reached the highest scores for JIPMAT. We have Riddhi Goyal who have actually cracked Indore. So, pehle ye batao, Riddhi, how is the feeling?
I think it's a feeling of exhilaration. And I mean, we start out with a goal, and then when you get there, you definitely look back and you're like, ho gaya. And
Hush ho gaya.
Hush ho gaya, and then wow ho gaya. Because obviously there's always some level of uncertainty while you're preparing, you're always nervous. But then when you finally get there, you have this level of confidence as well. Ki I can do this, like I'm capable of this. So I think that's the new confidence that came into me, and that makes it even more, a very good thing to have.
Okay, but tell me something. Apart from Indore, तुम्हारे पास में मतलब Indore ही जाना है, वही crack किया है. But what other colleges you applied?
Apart from it, I applied for IIM Ranchi and Shillong as well. I gave Rohtak's paper as well. And I also gave CUET, which was as a backup, but I did study for it when it was, I was close to it. So I did that as well.
Okay, and what all did you crack?
I cracked Rohtak. I got the call yesterday for Rohtak. And in my CUET, I scored 913.
Oh,
so
it's a good score. I hope you know that.
Yeah. I've put it in for the CSAS, but probably Indore ही जाना है तो.
हाँ, मतलब otherwise SRCC वगैरह तो मिल ही जाएगा. Okay, but that's really good. Congratulations on that. Okay, so now tell me, when you got the news of कि Indore के calls out हैं and you got selected, do you have any story to say कि देख के you also started crying?
No, I did not cry per se. I was in the mall with my mother. I was shopping, and then the news comes out there, and she shows me the email, and I'm in some level of disbelief because it's just a different environment. When you're sitting at home, you're like, oh, ho gaya. And then in the mall, there's so much noise all around. There's so much crowd, and then that realization, it hits a bit late. And then I called up my father, and I got the email, and my father was also very happy, and he came he was at home only. So he came to us in the mall and he hugged me and he was very happy. And I think seeing the joy on their faces, that made it even better for me.
I would completely agree because you know what happens? It's a dream for parents to see their child succeed. And I think none of the parent would deny to that. Okay, and to see somebody, at this age, cracking I am Indore, it is definitely, for them it will be a dream come true. But tell me, in this whole journey, when you look back, what do you see? What do you think was the driving force which kept you going?
I think the driving force was that I set out with this goal in mind. Ki if I'm giving IP Mart, I need to get into IIM Indore because that is the goal I'm is going out for, right? So like you have to do it. Like just do it. You don't need to feel that maybe I want to do something else, maybe not this. You see the curriculum, you like it, okay, go for it. Like just do it. And I think it really drives you when you start solving. You start taking an interest in the problems, and even for maths, I think a lot of it is about enjoying it. It keeps you going. Like when sir used to teach us a topic, and even if it felt boring, even a few interesting questions in it, 2 to 3, that were a bit intriguing, and I would have to think up some trick on it. And I think those type of questions keep you going, maintaining your interest in it. And even for VA, getting to read so much, because I'm someone who loves books a lot, so I read a lot of books, and applying that, putting my skills into VA, I think that was also something that kept me interested.
Mm. So it was definitely, you yourself who was actually kind of, driving yourself. But what was the role of Neeraj sir in the whole journey?
I think the role of Neeraj sir was when he used to tell us about students who were studying there, and small, incidents or something. And then one of the major factors was last year in August, we had the people who converted Indore last year come to our institute, and one of them was from my school, Manasvi Didi.
Right.
So I knew her within my school as well. So having that image that it is achievable and I can do it too, having that motivation at that point of time when you're still 6 to 7 months away and you still have time to prepare, I think that is what gave me a kick then. Ki I have to do this. Like I can do this. I am seeing people do it. I want to stand there and I want to tell these kids about my journey as well, like the next batch. So I think that definitely spurred me on.
And that's exactly what is happening. The tables have turned as we were speaking about it. Okay. But tell me, Neeraj sir, you again last year, Manasvi. People who don't know, you can look at the last year's video. Okay, you would see Manasvi there. But last year,
Vashi had 3 converts.
Yes, Vashi had 3 converts. Tell me, what exactly you felt? 2 years you are with IMS?
No, the past year, yeah.
Past year. 1 year, what was your, analysis looking at the student?
I very distinctly remember when we had first my plan. Dad came and Riddhi was there. And when I had a conversation with sir, and I got this feeling that she is already very precious in terms of learning. I'll put it this way: she was already a diamond, and sir wanted to say, "Ki sir, now you have to polish and make it sparkle in the world." And I thought, okay, every parent comes and they have that same sense with respect to their own child. But once few classes, we were into few weeks of classes, and I understood कि Riddhi is altogether different, very self-motivating. She likes to take problems. Many times this used to happen that we used to learn BBA level of questions, and then she used to think, okay, sir, thoda sa aur, I want some other level, and always that way. To be very truthful, she already knew a lot of stuff. Our role was to just polish it and refine it in a better way. That is what it is. I would give all credit to Riddhi. She was really brilliant in that.
So you were already very motivated, self-motivated, okay? And sir is actually kind of saying your dad knew that you have that particular talent in you very clearly, okay? And sir's role was just to kind of make sure that you get the right direction, right? Tell me, is there any point in that 1 year you felt that you're not, there's always, the graph can never be upward. Okay, it has to be a roller coaster ride. Was it the same for you, or ये exception है कि upward ही जा रहे थे?
I think it goes up in the beginning, and then when the boards approach you,
Oh.
that's when it goes down. The school says, come and give us pre-boards, test, test, test. And even on this side, you have to do this as well because you have to keep consistent with it, right? You can't lose touch with the topics. There's so much. You can't revive it later on. Keep going with it. So I think that's when it goes down because you have two things to handle. They're equally important from different perspectives. And I think that is definitely when it goes down a bit. And I think I picked at that time, allocating your time during the day, dedicating the mornings to boards, evenings to IPMAT, I think that's what helps the most. Keep calm, make a plan, get on with it.
Keep calm, make a plan, and get on with it. That's the mantra. I think that's a very good line what you have actually said. But something out of curiosity. Uh, any student who sets out to achieve a goal, let's say an aptitude test, and specifically of a level of IPMAT Indore, okay, they would definitely be, I hope you would agree with me, Neeraj sir, uh, definitely there is this relationship which students make with sim test. What was, Neeraj sir, her performance when it comes to sim test is concerned?
Uh, Initial sim tests, when it was there, she gave initial 4 or 5 sim tests, and we used to say, okay, you have to give no matter what, the sim test is important. She gave, and she got very good ranking in terms of the what we in terms of national ranking also. She was very good. And later on, there was a dip in sim test giving, and I distinctly remember one day that she called me कि sir मेरा बहुत कम आ रहा है mocks में IP में इंदौर सिम टेस्ट में. मैं बोला बेटा दिस इज अ प्रोसेस, you have to go through this process. It is not like every time तुमको अच्छा ही आएगा. This is a learning actually. It will dip, no doubt, but sit, analyze the mistake, एकदम डीप एनालिसिस करो कि व्हाट वाज द पॉइंट, व्हाट ऐसा क्या प्रॉपर्टी था जो मुझे नहीं आता था. द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग समथिंग, आई नो सर्टेन थिंग्स आई हैव इन माय हेड, बट व्हाट इज दैट व्हिच इज मिसिंग. उस पे एनालिसिस करो, उसको डीप इन डेप्थ देखो, समझो. एंड शी यूज्ड टू फॉलो एवरी इंस्ट्रक्शन, एंड देन लेटर on
She picked it up. But tell me, IMSK sim tests are unforgiving. They are very difficult. You felt कि the mock test or the sim test what we have really helped you with your, with your actual paper?
I think it did help because that level of brutality you're exposed to earlier on. कि oh no, ये क्या हो गया? I did not expect this at all. ये कैसे marks आ रहे हैं यार? And I think scaling that up to yeah, these marks are good. I think you have to go through that process, and I think it definitely helps because when I scored low initially, I had this realization that I am not good enough on my own or even with the modules right now. I need to ask doubts. So I used to pester Neeraj sir a lot for doubts. I used to catch him after class. I used to say, sir, half an hour only, time and distance. I don't understand. Please sit. Please tell me. Please tell me all the types of questions. I can't remember. So I used to trouble him like that. Later on, even I asked him to teach me PNC again because I was weak in PNC, and asked him to teach me probability as well. So I think that realization that I need help, that is also very important because people, they just go on preparing and they don't realize that they don't give value to external help. I think we have to give value to external help and realize that we need someone else to guide us. I think Neeraj sir definitely played that role.
And one more, I should say, कि many a times she used to travel to the institution. So at the later stages, I said, okay, don't travel, because I knew she is spending all the times in this. So I said, okay, I'll send a Google link. Whatever is your doubt, whatever is the concept, especially I suppose graph theory, we wanted to learn all type of possible graphs, intermingling of graph, mod आ गया तो क्या ये हो गया. So when I used to send a Google link, चलो पढ़ते हैं. And it hardly used to take 15-20 minutes or half an hour. She was so smart. अच्छा सर ये हाँ सर हो गया सर, I am now ready. Thank you.
One thing, Riddhi, is the fact that I was just, speaking to Tanay when I was talking. There's one thing which is very clear that, when you guys, when as a student you're motivated yourself, trust me, the mentors are all the more happy to help you, and it definitely reflects. But apart from Neeraj sir, do you have any other mentors who kind of?
I think we had Amrita ma'am at my center, and she really helped me with my verbal ability because I used to complete the module and then I would go and tell her, Ma'am, I need more questions. Please bring me more questions from somewhere. And and then she actually used to give me, like, she gave me another module once, and she asked me to take a few photos, try it out, and I did try it out, and it was very helpful because when you have topics like para jumbles or para completion, you don't get a lot of sources for that. There's very limited accurate sources. So I think that definitely helped. Even like having 20 to 25 questions extra to practice, I think that definitely builds your solving ability for VA in para jumbles.
I am so glad that, whatever support you needed, you were like that बच्चा और काम चाहिए, and I'm glad that जितना चाहिए था, we were able to kind of help you out. We want more students like this, okay, जिनको पढ़ाई करनी है तो हम तुमको पढ़ा सके, okay. But it is something which is, which is nice to see. But do you think there is something in your journey which you could have done differently?
I think taking less stress about it. I mean, that is something during even November, I believe, as November started, I had a lot of exams facing me. And I was of this thought ki I can't sit and study all day. Why do I have to sit and study all day? And then that converts into stress eventually and an anxiety about, studying all day, getting all this done and getting the result. So I think that is something I would have done differently. We need to practice more calmness during our 12th standard. I think they need to have a course in schools about it.
Good one.
And
Good
they
idea.
need to teach us that, because I think that definitely will, reflect in your exam day mindset. You have to have an exam state of mind. And to build that, you need to be a calm person on the day. You need to be composed so that you can reflect 2 years of prep in 2 hours of exam.
You speak well, Riddhi, very clearly. I mean, you read and that kind of shows up. But one thing now, when you look back, okay, this became कि तुम क्या change कर सकते थे. But now when you look back, what do you think? Is this something which really worked in your favor?
I think something that really worked is grabbing onto 2 or 3 sources and then doing them again and again. I have seen a lot of people, even like juniors who are in 11th right now, and what they'll do is they'll pick up something and they'll be like, they'll solve 2 chapters. They'll be like, this is not good enough. I need something else, something else, something else. Stop. You need only 2 books. Grab onto 2 books. I did IMS modules and IPM exercises 3 to 4 times. And
you also did it 3 to 4 times. Second student is saying that.
So do that. Like, you have it in front of you. Why are you looking for something else? Benchmarking tests, module tests, do everything, revise it. There's so many questions. Why do you need something else? I think we should just stop doing, इधर हाथ मारो उधर हाथ मारो जहाँ पे हो वहाँ पे रहो एक बुक पकड़ो बैठो पढ़ो खत्म.
Lovely. Neeraj sir, anything you would like to say?
Yeah, I would. One thing. See, once these people's boards are getting over, I always shoot a message, and in fact, every time I go and say this in the class. Now, एक काम करो, eating habits, sleeping habits को regulate करो. So predominantly give all the mocks in the afternoon because आपके सारे mocks afternoon में होने वाले हैं. So that you try to do that. Keep not a very cozy environment. And eating habits की cycles को भी आप ठीक करो. And I will tell you, Riddhi followed everything. पूरा summers AC नहीं चलाया उसने. उस समर में वो बैठ के बॉक्स देती थी. And this is, I should say, you should say what happened with you.
Yeah, for like, I remember Neeraj sir told us a story about a kid who came and told him कि sir, exam center में गर्मी बहुत थी. And I was like, that does not sound like a good reason to not perform well, yaar. And so I kept that in mind. That was around in June. And when summers came in March and April, I was like, Neeraj sir told us that I don't want to be that
student.
Yeah, that student. I don't want to come and tell him that. So I sat in my room, and it's very hot in my room. The sun is directly coming into my room and directly onto my table. I hate it. But I did not turn on my AC, and I solved mocks like that for those 2 months. And that really helped because in my paper, all the AC vents were working. The one above me was broken. Zero ventilation around me.
You manifested this. It is only with you. You manifested this. Exam center का issue नहीं था.
Zero ventilation, and I worked through it. And I was like, thank God I sat through those days in heat. It really helped because in those closed centers, you can't even really breathe properly when you don't have the ventilation around you working. And I think that was like, that did not, trouble me, unnerve me. And I think that is what I would like to call the exam state of mind. That environment is inside your head, not outside, especially while giving the exam.
Absolutely true. And I must say that, Riddhi, I just want to now wish you all the best. Okay. But something which you have said, I would like to summarize. Okay. So, all you students who have watched this particular video, certain things which you would learn is the fact that first you need to be, if you want to crack any aptitude test, okay, you want to achieve success. And in one of the videos, we have told you the success recipe for success. Okay, but today there is also certain things which you have to inculcate in you. You feel that इसे करने से क्या ही हो जाएगा. But there are very good examples in front of you, and it's very well Riddhi who is actually very well speaking. There will be time and there will be chaos, but you need to be calm, you need to be focused and just prep. Stay calm and just prep. That's the mantra. Okay. There would be time where you feel that little things doesn't really make sense, but these little things make it, habits, making sure that you are preparing, yourself for that particular entrance test or that particular point is something which is a gradual process. And trust me, you just need to be focused. So with this, I just want to say thank you so much, Riddhi. All the best. And thank you so much, Neeraj sir, for taking out time. I hope all of you have liked this video. Make sure you share this. If you liked it, just say hi, Riddhi, in the comment section. I'm sure she would kind of see it. Okay. And we would be giving more such interviews for a lot of other students. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to us. Thank you. Bye-bye.